Good morning, everyone. I'm back. It's Sunday, and this time, oh no, it's not morning. It's too crazy. I'm thinking I'm really early, and it's already 12:15. So, because I've been making more hearts, because a lot of people said they wanted to buy them, and I just have to figure that out. First, I'm going to do the giveaway. This is the giveaway thing. This is December 2018. These are the names. And I have them also cut out, all of them. Where are my paintings I'm going to give away? Well, we'll do that in a bit. Okay, so first off, I'm going to put them all in the hat. The hat's getting pretty dirty. Can't help that, peoples. It's because, let's see if I didn't skip one. Nope. They're all in there. So there we go. And of course, we want to make it. There we go. That's the thing. So I'll put my hand in. I'm gonna swirl it around a little bit, like I always do, and I have to feel if I got one. Yep. That's number one, first choice of the paintings. So, next one. Okay, gotta feel if I got one. That's number two. And I'll put it on pause because I've got to get the paintings. Whoops. Okay, I got my paintings. So David has first choice, Mia has second choice. And I'll show you which ones. We will name this one number one. So it's already, see the varnish is already on there. So these are ready to go. That's where I signed them on the side. Yeah, some have a little white showing through, but that's what happens. So this one, that's number two. There, I signed it. So 1 and 2. This is number 3. And they are all varnished, so they're ready to go. I can send them out tomorrow. That was number 3. This is number 4. This is a really pretty one. Really nicely varnished with my own varnish. There's the sign thing, and then on the back I put my initials in the wood. That's just before I send them off. And maybe if you want an orange one, but this one still needs a couple of layers of varnish. So here we go. Now I forgot the now I forgot which number was which number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me put them a little closer that you can see them. And let me do this. I think it's like this, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the orange one. And this one has a nice little cells in it. It's cute too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll send you a picture before I send it off, just to make sure I didn't mess it up. Oh boy, I can mess stuff up, can't I? So that's it. So which one was first? Oh yeah, David, Walk, and then the last name I always abbreviate, but I'll send out emails so as they will not miss it and they can choose. Okay, guys. Okie dokie. Now I'll put it on pause, clean this up, and then I'll talk a little about the hearts. Be back. Okay, so I made more of these beautiful little hearts, and as you can see, this is with gold on them, and they are pretty. But the thing is that I had a couple of people mail me yesterday, said I can't find anything on Etsy, and that's right, because they were gone like 5 minutes after I put them on Etsy. They were gone. And the thing is that I just can't do it on Etsy because I don't want to hike up the price. but Etsy takes 20 cents a fee just to put it on. Then when you sell it, they want, I don't know how much they take, but they, let's say 30 cents. And then when it gets paid by PayPal wants money. So then the postage I have to pay, so there's nothing left. So I'm making these things for nothing. So guys, you gotta help me out because I can't give them away. So if you want these hearts, and I'd be happy to make any color you like, but the greens and the blues with the gold is really, really beautiful. Or if you just want them without the gold because you want to doodle on top, and I'm pretty sure you can doodle on this too, even with the gold on it. Let me check. Just make sure that I'm not talking, you know what. So let's say you were going to doodle on this one. Let's see. I should really shake it a little bit. But as you can see, I go straight over the gold, no problem whatsoever. There it goes. Just to make sure you can. There it is. And of course, if you can't get this one, the Signo Broad Uni Ball, you can always do this one, the Pashka Uni. These are sold in all art stores, and this is the 0.7 millimeters. Now this one you do have to really shake up a little bit, but as you can see, it works perfectly. Only this is gold, so it sort of little fades a little bit, but you can do little dots, go dotty all over it. You can do those little flowers. And that's really, you can go straight over it, there's no problem whatsoever. You can doodle on it with anything you like. So, if you want these, they go 12 of those, 12 times, €3.75. These are it. But you do have to tell me if you want gold or without the gold. Maybe you want to put the gold on later after you doodle over it. I can understand that. That might be even better. I don't know. Just you pick, and you can even say, you know, do half with gold, half without. Just send me an email. It's ridderhofartziggo.nl for Netherlands. And I know it's Ridderhofart. I've heard it 20 times before. Not funny anymore. So, I'm in a mood today. So I got all my paint ready. See that? And I'm gonna do something different today because I have really, really thin paint. This is border thin. This is so thin that I'm thinking, will it work? Well, we'll see it right in the next video. So, you want the hearts, you can pick any colors you like. You can say pinks and purples, blues and greens, greens and yellows, whatever color you want. Just mail me 12 times, 3-inch hearts, so 3 inches big. And then you can just pay by PayPal and I'll send them off to you. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.